Hey guys, welcome to Little Rubeef. In this video, I'm going to show how I made this beautiful wall decor with metal hangers.
I cut two petal shapes out of one hanger. Into a round shaped foam board piece, I am inserting these petals by dipping them in glue as shown. Here I used 8 pieces to form a flower shape. Next, out of an aluminium tray, I cut these small petal shapes and stick them on the round shaped foam board piece. Then with the rim of the aluminium tray, I made the flower head, which is the center of the flower. Next, I am going to stick both the pieces and complete it by sticking one more foam board piece to the back side. Next, it's time for some gold spray paint, and tada! This one looks beautiful. I also spray painted this leaf and framed it as a matching decor piece for this place. I made tassels for my throw out of this plastic or jute kind of mesh bag. Putting everything together, here is the final look. Hope you had a good time watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more home decor and DIY videos.